There. I just want you to watch this video. It would be great if you took notes on it. If you take notes on this, you will be better prepared in class. So, the instructions are to find the equation of a parabola that passes through the points 0, 0, 2, 4, and 4, 0. So let's take those points. Let's bring them over to our next page. And there's our standard form of a quadratic equation. And remember, all the x's are over here, all the y's are over there. So I'm going to plug the first point in. That's this 0. That's this 0. Zero squared would be 0a plus 0b plus c. 0 times a, it checks out. 0 times b, it checks out. So I'm left with 0 equals c. All I did was take this x, this y, and plug them in there. So I'm going to do the same thing with my other two equations. Sorry, my other two points. So there's x, there's y. 4 equals a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c, which we know is 0. So 4 equals 2 squared. 2 squared is 4a plus 2b. I'm not going to put plus 0. I don't need it. It's plus 0. It's nothing. So 4 equals 4a plus 2b. Let me write this a little neater. And we will put that over here with this one. And finally, I'll do the last one. Oops, need to get rid of this. 0 equals a times 4 squared, because I'm now putting 4 in for x, plus b times 4 plus 0. I'm not even going to write it. 0 equals 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. And so here's what I've got. I've got this information over here. We know what c equals. C equals 0. And then I've got 4 equals 4a plus 2b. And I have 0 equals 16a plus 4b. So what does that leave me with? A system of equations. A system of equations. And like we did in class, I'm going to solve this system using substitution. So I'm going to take this equation right here, and I'm going to get b by itself. So in order to do that, I'll subtract 4a, 2b equals 4 minus 4a. And I will divide by 2. Check out, check out. B equals 2 minus 2a. So I got the variable b by itself. I got the variable b by itself. And now I'm going to take the stuff that b equals, and I'm going to substitute it in for b into the other equation. Now instead of writing b, I'm going to put the stuff that b equals. Well, b equals 2 minus 2a. Well, let's see. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8a. So now I'm going to combine like terms. 16a minus 8a would be positive 8a plus 8. And I'm just solving for a. Subtract 8. I just have a two-step equation. There's my first step, subtract 8 from both sides. And then my second step, divide by 8, divide by 8. A equals negative 1. So I'm going to go way back to my, well actually I guess it's only my second page. I'm going to go back to my second page. A equals negative 1. Let's come up here. And finally we have to figure out what B equals. So I'm going to take negative 1. Let's put this up here. I'm going to take negative 1, which I got, and I'm going to substitute it back in for A. Going to substitute it back in for A. So I got 2 minus 2A equals B. 2 minus 2 times negative 1 equals B. Let's see, negative times negative. Negative times negative is positive. 2 plus 2 equals B. B equals 4. B equals 4. So I will return to my second page. And my instructions were, find the equation of a parabola that passes through the points. So let's see, I now have a value for A, a value for B, and a value for C. So let's put them in. Y equals A, negative 1, x squared, plus B, 4x, plus C, which is 0. And this would be the way it would be written correctly. The reason is, we don't have to write this negative 1, we just put a negative sign. And we don't have to write the plus 0. We just don't put anything. So there's our equation. Y equals negative x squared plus 4x. And now just for fun, I'm going to graph it to find out if it does pass the points, pass through the points that we said it was going to. So let's go y equals, and our graph was negative x squared plus 4x, and I'm going to hit graph. And there's my graph right there. Forms a nice looking parabola. Let's take this graph onto a different page. So it said, find the equation of a parabola that passes through the points 0, 0. Well, 0, 0 would be right there. 2, 4. Let's go 1, 2, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. And 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Hopefully you took the time to watch that. Hopefully you paused in case you got confused or rewound it to watch that part again. that will certainly help you in class. Thanks for watching.